Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we will do booty bench workout and I wish you a good day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thumb up and let's start.
So we are beginning with sitting abductions for 10 times and you just need to open and close 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very simple exercise, but it's really work.
And now squat for 10 times. 1, 2, squeeze, squeeze. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we will do 2 squats and 5 squat pulses, and let's start for 10 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. And now donkey kicks 20 times each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, last 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last 10, last 9, last 8, last 7, last 6, last 5, last 4, 3, 2, 1. And now straight leg raises. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Opposite leg. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
18, 19, 20. Now we will do side kicks for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now we will bridge for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now we will bridge, hold and abductions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
All exercises that I show you can perform at your own pace. Listen to your body, drink a lot of water. It's very important to see a result after. So bye, I wish you a good day and I hope you enjoyed this workout.